Hello, hello. It's Amanda with Journaling and Grace. I'm doing a quick unboxing of Ingrid's over at Open Journey, her beautiful 3 kit. This is the Beauty of the Small Things kit. Just showing you all what's inside. Her art just never ceases to amaze me. So this is part 3 of the Beautiful series. And this is the actual kit that you get in your subscription. And a devotion with all of her art. And these are the stickers, the journaling cards, printed on clear sticker paper. Just some backdrops that you could use, cards, and then this is just a little weaving project that she incorporated. I will drop a link down to how Ingrid did this and put it together and walks you through it. It's very, very fun, and I'm looking forward to doing it. Now these are some of the add-ons that you can get. This is a beautiful vinyl sticker. These are the die cuts. And I like to save that little piece right there and incorporate it with my journaling. And just showing you the different die cuts that she's added this time. The bird. I'm not a big bird fan, but I love, love, love the bird in this and just what it represents. So that little piece tab I will save later. These are the journaling tickets. These are add-ons as well. These are the little Polaroids, the small ones and the large ones. All from the artwork from the kit. And these are stickers as well. You've got your little stamps, postage stamps. And then this is something a little totally new and different. These are little slides like you would look under the microscope. And you get the actual plastic slide and you can put that however you want with your journaling. And next she's got some new washi. I love, 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 love the washi, and I'm looking forward to doing a background in one of my pages with just the washi alone. Now that one was the Make Room in My Heart. And this one is the different kits that she's done. The Road to Emmaus, The Word is Alive, Fire Starter. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't get any of those names wrong on that. But this is the wide washi too from the Beautiful. And you can see how wide it is, and that just, to me, it just makes it even better because you can just create a washi background. You don't have to do any art. You can just use that alone. And this one is, I believe, 1 John with the crosses. And then this one is one from upcoming Advent for next month, which I am so, so excited about. Can't wait. So just showing you everything that's in the kit, and I'll have all the links in my description. So thanks for watching.